Today I'm in a forest. It's a beautiful day and I want to show you this place and talk about what I see. This is a forest. The forest is very green. There are many trees here. The trees are tall. Some trees are old. Some trees are young. The forest is quiet. It feels peaceful here. I want to show you this place. Let's see at the tree. This is a big tree. Listen, you can hear that. I hear birds. Birds are singing. The wind is blowing. The forest is not silent. There are nature sounds here. This is moss. I see moss here. It looks soft. Moss is green and soft. Moss grows here. I really like spending time in nature. It helps me relax and clean my mind. It's a good place to slow down. This is a tree root. The roots are on the ground. The tree roots are big. They come out of the ground. The tree roots are very strong. They hold the tree in the ground. The forest is full of the roots like this. And I look the moss. It grows on the tree. I am near the river. I'm walking along the river. Look at this water lily. It is floating on the water. I see a water lily on the water. It grows in the water. This spot has many water lilies. It looks very beautiful. I'm walking across the bridge. I'm walking up the stairs and I'm walking down the stairs. It has started raining a little. Forest looks different when it's wet. The color are darkness and more intensive, and I hear the rain on the leaves. I really like spend time in nature. Oh, it is stone. It's look heavy. It is a very big stone. This stone is on the ground. This stone is gray and round. It's look very old. And there is also playground. It has chains, metal chains, and wooden parts. It all from wooden. Oh, it look like climbing area. I'm climbing. It is a playground. Look, there is a wooden table and wooden logs. This table is made of wood. The table is made of wood. The logs is next to table. People can sit here and have rest. It looks like a picnic area. Everything is made of wood. I sit down on a wooden log. Now I stand up. Sit down and stand up. I am walking now. I am walking on the path. The path is small. The path is narrow. Now time for picnic in the forest. I am opening the candy. I am tear the wrapper. I am peeling the banana. I peel off the yogurt. I open yogurt. The forest is very green and full of life. There are tall trees everywhere. Some paths are very open and some are quite dark. Everything feels nature and calm here. I can see moss growing on the trees. There are plants everywhere on the ground. Some trees have very thick roots above the soil. I also see a lot of pine cones and dry leaves.